wanted to go over an explanation of what trigger links are. If you've ever seen, just for example, so you can understand how this actually works, if you've ever seen the unsubscribe link that's on the bottom of an email that has a trigger link, what that does is that it prompts the system to be able to perform an action, or record that the unsubscribe link has been clicked on, and then it tells the system what to do. It gives it an action. But you'll be able to notice that it was clicked on by going to the customer's profile when you go to the do not disturb, and then the email has been is checked off or marked red, showing you that they clicked that link. Another example would be if, let's say, if you have a promotion going on right now, or if you want to send out a brochure, or if you want to send out some type of special link, what that link is connected to, it'll record that the link has been clicked on inside of that customer's profile. And then you can also set up an automation or a workflow connected to it to actually trigger an action or start an action to begin at that point. So if you have something specific that you need to go out based off of whether they click that link or not, that's how you would set this up. And this is why a trigger link will be needed. All right. So it's super, super simple to be able to do this. What we'll need to do is go to, let's see, we need to go to, we need to go to, we'll need to go to marketing, and then you'll see the menu items here at the top. We're going to go to trigger links. Just click on trigger links, and you'll see where all you need to do is just add the link. So you'll just click on the blue button on the right, click on add a link. You want to name it something so that way you know what this is. So we'll do promotional link. And then we'll put in the link right here. You can copy this wherever this is supposed to be, whatever this link is supposed to be. Or if it's, let's say, like a brochure, you can put in the brochure link here. If it's a, let's see, what's another one? Let's see if it's like a sale. Let's do a month, a January sale link. If you have a link that's associated with that, then you'll put that in here. So let's say if we have a, our link is called, this could be like anything that you would like it to be, as long as it's a URL. All right, so just want to give you the point here. So I'll add the link, and this is the trigger link key. So what you'll do with this trigger link key right here is that this is where you will actually copy this, and then you will want to embed this information or link into the button. So you kind of treat it like a custom value. So it's the same thing as a custom value, but this is how you create it. So in another video, just so I can chop this up a little bit, I'll show you where you could populate this in like an email or even a text message, anywhere where there is some type of information that you can send out or some type of communication you can send out, you can embed this in there just like a custom value. So I'll show you on the next video.